Hey everybody, working here on a 2004 Jeep Wrangler LJ, and this car here had a P0202, which is basically the number 2 injector is shorted. So I got my meter out and I checked resistance on this one. It was fine. I checked resistance on this one, and this one matched this injector. So I was like, huh. So I went ahead and got my Noid light out, and I plugged my Noid light in this, and the Noid light is supposed to flash pulse to show you that the injector is open and closing. This one here was like a flashlight. It was like whoomp, just like that. So then I plugged it into this one, and this one's nice and flashy. So I was like, oh man, it looks like maybe the computer's bad. But I will tell you what I found on this car. So if you come over here, here is the computer right here. If you notice, this post on the battery, the hold down post, has rubbed through the wire harness there. And as you see, I have the battery disconnected, so I'll go ahead and I'll pull this up the back, and it has rubbed through the brown wire right there. And guess what? That is the grounding wire for that injector, because this also has a brown wire. So what we're going to do is we're going to reposition this battery hold down and tighten it up. We're going to go in here and we're going to fix the wire and tape this all back up, and this Jeep will be good to go. Alright everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. If you'd like to leave me something, you can always leave me thanks right here, and we'll talk to you all later.